Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox MI Band 5. So let's get started. Here we have the pack, MI Band 5, multi-sports mode tracking, magnetic charging, all-day sleep tracking, and 14-day battery life. On this side, 1.1-inch colorful screen, water resistance up to 50 meters, heart rate and stress monitoring, and much more facilities. Let's unbox this. Let's check out this box. Here we have the band. Let's check further. Let's check out this the documentation. Here we have the manual, some guides. Let's keep, and let's open this. And here we have the band, MI Band 5, and here we have the charger, the magnetic charger. Here we have the charging cable, USB-A to magnetic charging. Let's test this charging cable. Yes, it's charging. Now let's download the MI Fit applications. It's being downloaded and open. And you can set up with basic information, height, weight, and other details. And here you can select the band and you can give agree. You can go to the settings and you can turn on location, and you can wait for pair, and you can turn on the Bluetooth, and you can give the permission, and you can confirm. Yes, paired successfully. Design band displays, customize shortcuts, remote shooting control. You can control your camera applications in your smartphone, and there are 11 kinds of activities you have in this MI Band 5, like this pool swimming, indoor cycling, and much more activities. And you can manage your stress as well. This is one of the additional features in MI Band 5 from MI Band 4. Syncing data, 100% connected. And let's restart the application, and now it's connected. And you can manage your call activities, and you can manage all activities in your applications, MI Fit application. And also you can change the band display, and you can customize. Otherwise you can download several different applications, and you can customize your band display, and you can sync with your MI band. And also you can change the display, and you can turn on the display with the sensors, and you can set the alarm. Also you can monitor your all other activities using this MI Band 5, and you can set the alarm, and you can turn on and turn off, and you can get the alarm vibrations in your smart band, and also you can get the call alert before you get the call in smartphone, the vibrations. There are different types of bracelets available for this MI Band 5. You can buy these bracelets, and you can customize your MI Band 5, and you can use this MI Band 5 for many different occasions. That's all I want to discuss in this unboxing and setup video. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the green bell. Then you will be notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.